Hi, big news from the Tang ecosystem today. We're talking new leadership, exciting partnerships, and major updates for developers and users. Let's dive right in. Tang Foundation welcomes Manuel Stotz as the new president to drive US expansion. Manuel Stotz, better known as Manny, is stepping in as the new president of the Tang Foundation. With a proven track record as a global investor and a deep passion for blockchain's potential to empower communities, Manny is perfectly positioned to lead Tang into its next chapter, starting with a bold focus on expanding operations in the US. Manny has served on the Tang Foundation board since its inception in Switzerland in 2023, and is the founder of Kingsway Capital, an investment firm with several $billion of assets under management for US investors. His firm Kingsway Capital is deeply connected to the crypto ecosystem, supporting over 50 blockchain leaders, including Anomiko Brands and Blockchain.com. Together with Steve Yung, who will continue to guide the foundation as a board member, Manny will drive Tang's mission forward, unlocking new opportunities in the dynamic US market. This expansion will strengthen partnerships, attract top investors, and advance core values of freedom and decentralization that are the foundation of blockchain. Tang Blockchain will be exclusive blockchain infrastructure for Telegram's mini apps ecosystem. Starting today, Tang Blockchain is the exclusive blockchain infrastructure for Telegram's mini apps ecosystem, supporting over 950 million users globally. As part of the new partnership, Tang Connect, the SDK for the Tang Connect protocol, maintained by the Tang Foundation, will serve as the only wallet integration protocol for mini apps. This will ensure a seamless and optimized user experience for decentralized applications within Telegram. All Web3 mini apps and mini apps wallets utilizing blockchain in any capacity, including custodial and non-custodial user authorization, on-chain signatures, and the sending and receiving of blockchain-based assets, must implement Tang Connect as the only wallet connect protocol in the next month, excluding bridging scenarios. Also wallets. By default, only the most popular Tang-based wallets will be displayed on the main screen. Other wallets will be listed in the All Wallet section and will be ranked based on popularity. Furthermore, Telegram will accept Tangcoin as the only additional cryptocurrency for payments made for the assets and services offered by its platform, including Telegram Stars, Telegram Premium, Telegram Ads, and Telegram Gateway, a platform alternative to traditional SMS verification. Additionally, Tangcoin will be the only currency used to pay Telegram mini app developers and channel owners for their earned Telegram Stars and advertisement revenue. Projects that migrate from other blockchains within this timeframe may also be eligible to qualify for benefits from Tang's marketing grant program. The 30-day migration period ends on February 13, 2025. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Together, we will conquer the crypto world. See you next time.